About 80% of men in the world suffer from poor sex life. Sometimes you just pretend with your partner that everything is okay, but both of you know deep inside your mind that everything is not okay. So if you are a lady suffering from this, please do well to share this recipe with your man. And if you are a man, do pay attention to this recipe. Before, it was something that was being witnessed by our parents from 50 to 60 years. But now it is very, very common with the youth. Some people go on taking viagra, taking drugs, taking dangerous substances that might damage your health. So today, I'm sharing with you this amazing recipe for free. This is your natural viagra. Please, if you are new in my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll get the notification. And also do not forget to share this video. Thank you so much for watching. It's your favorite 237 Chef Vibes. Let's get down. Let me show you how to make this one. So first of all, we'll start with the watermelon. Watermelons are packed with nutrients and it helps you stay hydrated. Most importantly, you know when you are hydrated, the blood goes through down the path we are about to work on. So it helps you stay dehydrated and move your blood through your body and helps lower your blood pressure. Then we got the lime, lemon and ginger. These are high vitamin C, fiber, and it helps support the heart and helps control your weight, and it reduce the risk of cancer. Most importantly, these three ingredients helps in boosting the immune system. Then the walnut and the cashew nut, they are almost the same, but all of them also are very, very rich. Walnuts are high in fiber, vitamins, carbs, protein, iron, and it helps improve the brain functions. So with the part we are about to work today, all these ingredients will perform magic to you. Without any waste of time, let's combine these ingredients together. We only need half of the watermelon. Most importantly, watermelons are rich in fiber, and when you are using your watermelon, do not forget the white part. It's very important when you cut. Make sure you include most of the white part in your watermelon. Like I said already, includes most of the white parts. Our ginger. Include our cashew nuts and the walnut. We are almost done with the blending, so we just need to add the lemon and the lime. Do not include with the seeds. Even if you include the seed, also no problem, because after you finish you need to strain, but I prefer you remove the seed, because if you like to strain, you can strain. If you don't like to strain, you can take your drink directly after when you finish blending. So we just include the lemon juice, the same process with the lime. So after you include your lemon juice, when you include your lemon and your lime, you blend for like 2 to 3 seconds, then your drink is ready. This is what you get. This is your natural viagra. So this one you just need to take with an empty stomach when you wake up very early in the morning, then also at night after your food, maybe like 2 hours after your food, then you can take before you go to bed. It will give you amazing result, but for the lasting result you need to repeat the same process like for 30 days.